Hello, welcome back. This is lecture 6.1 of our lecture series on basics of computer networking. If you haven't watched lecture 5, please check the link in the description box below. In this video, we'll discuss about networking trends. Like everything else, computer networks continue to change. As new technologies and end-user devices come to markets, we need to continue adjusting how we do business and adapt to this ever-changing technological environment around us. There are several networking trends that affect organizations and consumers. Among these, few are bring your own device, online collaboration, video communications, and cloud computing. We will discuss each in detail. Bring your own device. Bring your own device enables us the freedom to use personal tools to access information and communicate across a business or a campus network. Example, if you are studying, you can bring your own devices and the school will provide you the connectivity. Then you will communicate using your own devices with the systems of the school. Or if you are working, you will bring your own devices, then the company you are working for will provide you the connectivity. Then you will interact with the computer systems that the company is using. One of the key things we learned during the COVID-19 pandemic is the importance of online collaboration. Collaboration is defined as the act of working with another or others on a joint project. There are many collaboration tools. Among these, Cisco WebEx, Google Meet, eGroupware, Group Office, and others. As you can see on the picture, there are different people working from different areas using the collaboration tools. The next one is cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, and an on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. Example, memory, storage, processor, network bandwidth, servers, application, and different services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. For businesses, cloud computing extends the capability of information technology without requiring investment in new infrastructure, training new personnel, or licensing new software. Cloud computing has 5 essential characteristics. 1. On-demand self-service. A consumer can unilaterally provision computing capability such as server time and network usage as needed automatically without requiring human interaction with each service provider. 2. Broad network access. Capabilities are available over the network and accessed through standard mechanisms that use heterogeneous, thin, or thick client platforms, such as mobile phone, laptop, desktop, and personal digital assistants. 3. Resource pooling. The provider's computing resources are pooled to serve multiple consumers using a multi-tenant model. 4. Rapid elasticity. Capabilities can be rapidly and elastically provisioned, in some cases automatically, to quickly scale out and rapidly released to quickly scale in. Example, if one compute-intensive or data-intensive job that can be run in parallel take 500 hours to process on one machine, with cloud architecture, it would be possible to span and launch 500 instances and process the same job in 1 hour. This characteristic is known as rapid elasticity. 5. Measured services. Resource usage can be monitored, controlled, and reported, providing transparency for both the provider and the consumer of the utilized service. And the payment depends on the consumption. And it's just like our electric and water bill. The next one is service models. Even if cloud computing has many service models, the most commonly known are 1. SaaS, Software as a Service. Customers can access applications from various client devices through web-based interface or other application program interfaces. In this case, the consumer doesn't manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure. Example, email service, Office 365, and other related applications. PaaS, Platform as a Service. It provides a complete, flexible, and cost-effective cloud platform for developing, running, and managing applications. Example, Amazon Web Services or AWS, Cisco Broad Cloud, IBM Cloud, and others. The third one is IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service. In Infrastructure as a Service, the cloud provider provides capability to the consumer processing, storage, networks, and other fundamental computing resources where the consumer is able to deploy and run arbitrary software, which can include operating system and other applications. Instead of buying the resources, the user have to pay depending on their usage. The next one is deployment models. 1. Private cloud. It gives a single cloud consumer's organization the exclusive access to and the usage of infrastructure and computational resources. 2. Public cloud, in which the cloud infrastructure and the computing resources are made available to the general public over the network. 3. Hybrid cloud. The cloud infrastructure is a composition of 2 or more cloud, which means private, community, or public, that remain unique entities but are bound together by a standard or proprietary technology that enables data and application portability. The fourth one is community cloud. It serves a group of cloud consumers who have shared concerns such as mission and objectives, security, privacy and compliance policy, rather than serving a single organization, a private cloud does. Community cloud and the private cloud may be managed by organizations or by a third party and may be implemented on customer premise, which means on-site community cloud, or outsourced to a hosting company. If you have any question, please use the comment section below. In the next lecture, we will discuss about technology trends in the home. Thank you and see you there.